with my peers. I am here to help you with your homework because I cannot afford to not place third place again. I'm not built for second or first place. I just need third place. I've been getting third place for as long as I can remember. Here's one of my few national third place medals for yellow belts in Taekwondo. It's a really specific category. There's only like 10 other kids, but still, it's a third place medal. One of my only 3 medals that I have. So the question that you guys need to do to help you get third place, help me get third place, help you guys get second and first place, is the x cubed, I think it's plus 2x squared minus 4x. Maybe that's just 3. Let me consult my notes. These are not my notes. Yeah, that was a 3. Okay, we also had another statement that y minus 5x plus 7 I think equals 0. We're looking for 2 tangents. They are parallel to that nonsense over there. So we can start with step 1. Figuring out what the hell they want. They want 2 tangents. And they say they're parallel to this nonsense. Parallel means the gradient is the same. The gradient is the coefficient of x. In a standard formula, y equals mx plus c. The coefficient is the thing next to another thing. This is next to an x. It's the coefficient of x. So, we reorder this into standard form. Y equals, we take all this nonsense to the other side, 5x minus 7. So the gradient is 5. So an action plan for what we're going to do is, we're going to solve for the derivatives, okay? The tangent, it touches this nonsense at one point. To get the gradient of the tangent, we find the derivative. We got that the derivative is equal to 5. So, we get the derivative, we equate it to 5, we get both values, then we're going to get 2x values, which we shall throw into this nonsense over here, and it shall pop out 2y values. At that point, we shall use these 2x and these 2y to get actually 2 of these formulas. If that did not make sense, this is because I am not a teacher. I am struggling to get third place, man. So let me wipe out all this nonsense. We can start from the top. I'm too lazy, man. I need a brush. If any of you could lend me like whatever you use to wipe this, because I tried a microfiber cloth, but it does not work. So y equals 5x minus 7. The derivative of like this nonsense is going to be 3x squared plus 6x minus 4. Now this nonsense is equal to 5. Take the 5 over to this side, and we got 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. We can factorize this, or you can use the quadratic formula, but I'm too lazy because I have no damn clue where my calculator is. So we take the 3 out, it becomes x squared plus 2x minus 3. Then we can factorize this into x plus 3x minus 1. If you multiply this in, it's going to equal this nonsense. Now this is equal to 0, which means x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 1. Now we're going to substitute those values into that nonsense. But first I need to wipe this damn board. Damn it, if only this house was 2 stories, then I could jump out the damn window. Ah, damn it. Right. The 2 values I got were negative 3 and 1. We substitute negative 3 into there, so it becomes like negative 3 cubed plus onwards. You just put negative 3 where you see x. And according to my notes, which are here, I had a magnet to put my notes on the board. I lost it. But according to my notes, that nonsense will equal 12. And for 1, when you put it in, same way as this, everywhere you see an X, you will get 0. Now, we can do that nonsense with the straight line equation. Then I put it. So, y equals mx plus c. Let's work with this one. What is m? The gradient. They gave it to us in the question. 5. What is y? We just found that. 12. What is x? We found that ourselves. For this one it is negative 3. And then c is what we're looking for. We move this nonsense over to this side. So 12 minus 5 into negative 3 equals c equals, I don't know what my damn notes are. I think it's 27. If you're going to copy from this, do it better than I did. So with c equals to 27, for the first equation for line of the tangent, we get y equals 5x plus 27. Now for the next one, which I'm going to do even worse than this one, if you think that is possible. We got 0. So, y equals mx plus c. We substitute y, 0. We substitute m, which is 5. For x, we got 1. We substitute that in. And then we're looking for c. We move this nonsense to the other side. We get negative 5, 1 equals c. So c equals negative 5. Therefore, for the second one, y equals 5x minus 5. Those are the two answers. Yay. Now go get second and first place, please. For the life of me, I do not need first place. I want another bronze medal to go with my other 3 medals. All for patterns and nothing for sparring. I'm all for sparring. Roll credits.
Dude.